through the light, no more disguise.
Hi ate, happy 18th birthday sa'yo and sana huwag ka nang masungit and stay healthy.
Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me. You've been
Sana yung mga dreams mo, pangarap mo, makuha mo. Kami naman nandito lang na handang sumuporta para sa'yo.
beyond the lights of society that would kill.
Happy birthday, Harley!
I found myself out of my own.
Ate, happy birthday. Totoo lang, hindi ko ini-expect yung mga achievements mo sa school. Napaka-proud para sa amin, sa akin, sa mami mo, sa mga kapatid mo, mga tito mo, tita. Ay proud na proud sila sa mga achievements mo pagdating sa school.
My spirit's awake, I don't feel the same. So many people here, but somehow they disappear. 'Cause all that I
Thank you sa kulitan, sa tawanan, sa Blackpink session sa bahay nyo, sa after school lumakdo, sa asaran, saka sa mga memories natin na papaunin ko hanggang sa future.
all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt, I never felt.
Happy birthday, Harley!
Beyond the lights of society that were killing me quietly, now I found myself.
Napaka-busy person niya. Sobra siya mag-aral. And then, pag nasa bahay, actually, pagka wala siyang masyadong alam sa gawaing bahay. Pero pagdating sa school, sobrang galing niya. Kaya proud ako sa kanya.
Out on my own. Out on my own. Out on my own. Out on my own. Out on my
Happy birthday, Harley! I just want to say that super proud ako sa mga achievements mo in life. And now you're one of the people na sobrang nilook forward ko because I know na sobrang layo pa ng mararating mo sa buhay. And ayun, excited pa ako na makita pang mag-grow as a person and as a beautiful woman.
Happy birthday, Harley. Sana maging successful ka in the future. I hope all your wishes come true. May you have a happy life and continue to bring joy to the people around you.
Si Alin, ano yan? Nuknukan ng tigas ng ulo. Pero pagdating naman sa pag-aaral, wala akong masabi rin talagang sunog kilay yun. Sa bahay, maasahan mo rin ako paminsan-minsan.
If we learn that life ain't perfect, it may hurt, it may hurt.
Happy birthday to one of my favorite buddies.
It's fate that brought us here today. It's fate that brought us here so we can shine like this, shine like this, shine like this, shine
medyo may pagkamasungit siya kay Jewel kasi pag nagpapaturo yung kapatid niya, medyo hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. Pero sa kapatid, mabait naman talaga siya.
So we can shine like so we can shine like
Happy birthday, Harley!
Ang nagustuhan ko pong regalo na ibigay niya is pagiging pag-intindi po sa akin at mag-intindi po sa kanya.
when the waves crash and leave you bare.
Thank you for being kind to Aya and Rock. I hope you continue serving above stuff. Happy birthday po. I love you.
I care, and it's fate that brought us.
Alam ko na makukuha mo kung ano man yung gusto mong makuha. Kasi magaling ka, maganda ka, matalino ka, mabait ka, syempre.
Shine like this, shine like this.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Sana enjoy ka ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon because this is your day and alam ko na bago dumating ang birthday mo, marami tayong pinagtatalunan. Pero still, ito pa rin tayo, nagtutulungan pa din tayo. So, enjoy your day, ate. Happy birthday.
Shine like this, shine like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang napakaganda, ever gorgeous, ang very legal, palakpakan po nating lahat, Miss Harlequin Arizala.
So we can shine like this, shine like this. So we can shine like this, shine like this.
Super special lang day na to para sa akin kasi ilang months namin to prepare para mag-enjoy kayo at pati ako na rin.
Shine like this.